Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, what's up? My name is Jenny Zapon. If you're not new here, what's up? How's it going? In today's video, I will be doing a first impressions on the new Linerbond Pro and their new lashes from Silly George. So if you're curious to see what I thought about this new Linerbond Pro and the new lash styles, just keep on watching. So it is extremely hot right now, so I have like a fan blowing on me, the AC on, so I'm gonna try my best to speak really loud and clear so that you can hear me. And this is because my camera will literally pick up any noise, anything that's going on, so I'm gonna try my best to speak a little louder than I normally would so that like you don't hear like that noise in the background. This video before this most recent one, it was a Silly George video, but I love using their products. I love their products and I just can't not share this with you guys. So here we are with another Silly George video. So they actually sent me the new Linerbond Pro. This is their clear, but it's supposed to be a lot stronger than this one right here. If you guys remember my first impressions on this video, I did have some pros and cons with this one, which is the clear one, compared to the original Silly George. I love this one hands down. I use it almost every day when I wear lashes, but they came out with the Linerbond Pro and clear. This is supposed to be a lot stronger. So let's see what the Linerbond Pro, which is a new one, claims to do. So the new formula and technology means ultra easy application and no eyeliner look necessary. So if you just want to wear your lashes and not have to wear like the regular eyeliner like this one, you definitely opt for the clear one. Obviously there's no drying time, it's whatever proof, so it's water, wind, sweat, teardrops, and weather resistant. It's up to 60+ wears, vegan and cruelty free. So they also sent me 5 different lash styles. These are like their newer lash styles that came out when they released the Linerbond Pro. And I'm not going to do a try on with this one just because I did a try on with the previous one. I will probably do something on like Instagram or TikTok, so make sure you're following me there. That's where I would do the try on with these lashes over there. But honestly, I'm kind of torn in between the Cassiopeia or Nova, but I think I'm gonna do the Nova lashes with the Linerbond Pro. Side note, I love the packaging. Like, it's just so beautiful. Like, you can see what the lashes look like. This is what the new Linerbond Pro looks like. It's nice and red. It has like silver writing on it. It honestly feels like luxe. It feels heavy, it feels sturdy. Let's get started. You can go ahead and curl your lashes. I just throw them on. So I already noticed one thing, like as I'm applying this on, I do notice like one thing. The original Linerbond, the clear Linerbond, it like kind of like took off like my eyeshadow, but this one it didn't, so that's a plus. Stick them on. I have one lash on. I forgot to like remove like the stickiness of like when it's on the original packaging, so it was a little tacky and I had to like mess with it for a little bit. I want to say one quick thing about these new lashes. They're supposed to complement well with the new Linerbond Pro. The whole purpose of it is like the band is supposed to be really like light, and so if you want to go with just the Linerbond Pro and not use like the regular Linerbond. It gives you like that falsies effect without like showing that you're wearing the whole strip. I think they did a really good job with designing these. Even though like this one that I'm wearing right now, you can see how dense and thick it is right here, just on display, of course. You can see that, but like on me, like it just looks like I have a regular, like I went to the salon and got like lash extensions. Very beautiful lashes, very well done. So now I'm gonna do this other eye. I try to remove as much of like the stickiness off of this lash right here, so hopefully I'm not sitting here struggling as much. So here I have 2 lashes on, and this is in the style Nova. It is so freaking beautiful. Looking on the camera, looking at myself in the mirror right here, I honestly love it, you guys. I think it worked really well. As I was applying this Linerbond Pro on, I can just already feel like it was gonna hold down my lashes, so that made sense. Like I felt like something was there, but it wasn't like uncomfortable, like sticky, like something was like, it wasn't uncomfortable. It just felt like it was definitely gonna hold on to the lashes whenever I applied this one. It just felt like it was just like gliding something on. I had to glide on a few times and that started rubbing off my makeup. But this Linerbond Pro, I honestly do not have any cons when it comes to this Linerbond Pro. It is amazing. I think it works really well. It's comforting to know that like when I applied this on, it wasn't taking off my eyeshadow, and when I was like laying down my lashes, I felt like the stickiness of it, like the adhesive. I don't know how to explain it, but I just felt like it just grabbed on to the lashes, and I know it was gonna stick on. I don't have to like worry about if it's gonna fall out at the end of the day or at the end of this video or just midway through this video. If you are hesitant of trying this one out because you're not great with your eyeliner, definitely give this Linerbond Pro a try. You will not be disappointed. I think this is a great option for beginners, even for more advanced people, but this is such a really good liner. Like I am obsessed with it. I love it, and I think you need to try this. If you're afraid to try out the liner, definitely give this a try. And of course you can use my code JennyCPon15 to give yourself 15% off and get yourself a Linerbond and some cute new lashes to go with it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.